Our tour is for Tiananmen and Forbidden Palace, Gugong, and our tour guide is Linda. It's an English-speaking tour and she is very information and share detailed history of the vicinities with us. Do bring along snacks and water as you'll be walking for a couple of hours. Once the tour ends, you are free to stay in the Gugong and roam around as re-entry is not possible. The tour itself was quite comprehensive, from Tiananmen Square to the Forbidden City. We were provided with earpiece so that we can always hear what the tour guide is saying even though we may not be together all the time. Our tour guide was Claire. She's a highly experienced and helpful guide with a jovial personality. She spoke good English and simplified certain Chinese words into terms we could relate to and understand better. She ensured we visited places we wanted such as the famed Yanzai Palace while keeping within the time. You are in good hands if she is your guide. Guide was awesome, made sure we don't get lost, and whilst the method to secure entrance to the city was a bit unorthodox, it worked, so no complaints considering its 7-day waiting list if you do it privately. Our guide was a Beijing local and provided us with lots of information on both the square and the city. The itinerary pace was good and never felt rushed. It was a great experience and would recommend this tour. Aaron gave very good explanation of background history. Suitable for those with special interest in this as it contains tons of historical value/stories. A lot of walking, ensure you put on your best walking shoe. Though the ticket price is quite expensive because it was booked on Spring Festival, the Forbidden City is such an awesome place to visit. Ms. Amy has provided us all the necessary information that we must know regarding this historical place. She also gave us ample time to take pictures and even offered us her help to take nice pictures. To avoid swarm of visitors, do not visit this place on Chinese national holidays. For foreign visitors, you can purchase the ticket, which is worth 40 RMB only at the entrance. It would save you a lot of money if you don't prefer visiting this place with the help of a tour guide. Had a fantastic and well-managed guided tour to the Forbidden City. The coordinator and the tour guide were very well organized. Our tour guide Ms. IC was very knowledgeable and answered all our questions. She is passionate about her job and has good knowledge of history. I would recommend this tour to anyone looking for a detailed experience of the Forbidden City. Plus you don't need to book the ticket a week in advance. They arrange a ticket even one day before. Tour guide Ms. Ping has excellent explanation of the Forbidden City tour. Great knowledge. Very well spoken English. Timing for the walking guide is well planned. Highly recommended for all to join her English language tour. Well done Ms. Ping, thumbs up emoji, thumbs up emoji, thumbs up emoji. Harry is a very dedicated guide. We were very early and he was already there waiting for us. The Forbidden City is huge and we feel happy there is someone like Harry that can lead the way to share stories of the history of the place. He is very patient and always share with us the knowledge about the palace. I enjoyed the tour and highly recommend to everyone who are tourists and would like to cover the main attractions. You are in good hands with Harry as he offers a lot of help when I have questions about my stay in Beijing beyond just the tour. We definitely need a guide when navigating the massive Forbidden City, and my guide, IC, did an incredible job. The walking tour's pace suited us nicely. Forbidden City carries a very rich history, and IC dissected its history in terms of geography, architecture, practicality, feng shui and its hidden secrets. The buildings are well preserved, knowing that they are completed in 1420, with major restorations. There are lots of photo-taking opportunity. The Royal Treasure Museum is a museum that showcases the intricate treasures in the Forbidden City, which we really enjoyed. A must-visit attraction while in Beijing. Our tour was great. Our tour guide, Ping, spoke excellent English and taught us so much about the history of the Forbidden City and China as a whole. It was also very easy to get into the area in terms of tickets and access. I would definitely recommend this tour. The guide was friendly and attentive, showing care for the group throughout the visit. They provided an excellent explanation of the history and background of the area. The tour was not rushed, allowing ample time for exploration, making it feel nothing like a typical group tour experience.